Hello guys, and thank you for tuning in. And in today's videos I'm going to teach you how to change the and add the address here on your TikTok shop. So go here on the account settings, click this one right here, and it's going to be really quick, by the way, so just bear with me. Now you're inside account settings, just click this one right here, the warehouse settings. Now, as you can see, this is the address, your previous address. You could absolutely change this and add any address as you type in. Press edit here. As you can see, this is the info of my address here of the warehouse. Now, we're going to change this, put it with another address here, which is mine. So, and after that, all you have to do is click save after this. So just bear with me here, just click save, and that's it. Your address will be updated. Let's try it now. Here we go, boom, and that's just it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope this video has been any help. Thank you for watching. You guys have a nice day.